My name is John Gyra. I'm a ServiceNow architect here at RapDev. Tag Generator is a new application that RapDev has just built and put on the ServiceNow store. It is a free application, and the main purpose of this application is to create tags in the CMDB key value table in ServiceNow so that customers can take more advantage of tag-based service mapping. So the main advantage of Tag Generator is to dynamically create tags in the CMDB for CIs that don't actually have tags for whatever reason. Maybe its organization doesn't have like a real robust tagging strategy and they don't have the tags that you want. Or if you want to include physical assets inside of your service maps, but because of the fact that they're physical, you actually can't tag them. So what this allows customers to do is, by setting up what we call definitions or rules, just to automatically tag a subset of CIs with the appropriate keys and values that you want. When you're setting up a definition for Tag Generator, one of the things that you have to specify is, what CIs that you actually want to target. So that starts with, selecting the table that you actually want it applied to. And it does honor CMDB hierarchy. So just say if you want to put something at the hardware table, it will look through everything underneath hardware, including computer, Windows Server, Linux Server, etc. You can get a little bit more granular in just filling out the condition builder that works like any other condition builder inside of ServiceNow. But that is where you select the subset of CIs that you want to target for this specific definition. After that, of how you actually get the values that you want populated for these tags, there's three different methods that you can do. There's static value, regex, and by script. Static value is kind of as it sounds. It's just a static value of whatever you put in for that definition. For regex, that's based off of a field on the particular CI that you are processing. So just say you're trying to create tags for Windows Server. Maybe you have a certain naming convention and you're able to parse out something within inside of that based off of regex. So whatever is returned by that regex is the value of that tag. The last option is script, and this gives the most power to the customers of whatever they want to do. It's just you have access to the entire current CI record that is being processed, and whatever you want to do, like you want to do a lookup in another table based off of the record that you're doing, do some other string manipulation with the fields that are there. Whatever you want to do, that's there, and you just have to return a string value, and whatever is returned is that tag's value. In order to get started with Tag Generator, it's listed inside the ServiceNow store for free, so you don't have to pay for it. The ServiceNow admins just have to go into the store and just click like a get with it. Once they do that, it is available for download inside of your ServiceNow instances. And then it's pretty easy. There's a configuration guide that's linked inside the store product page. Then you just kind of set up the different definitions that you want to do. Inside of each definition, you also can do like a preview before actually activating the different rules, just to make sure that your logic, especially if you're doing regex or scripting fields, works as intended, so it doesn't actually create a bunch of different tags for things that you put in a wrong script and now you have to clean it up. So there's a nice little preview feature there, but it is very quick and easy to get started.